All right guys, what do you reckon? We are at the third video for the mini truck build, and this is what I've done to it. Lost its green and blue doors. We've got new lights. I've gone through a second set of revision mirrors. We've got new lights with suspension. There's a few things that I thought I was going to throw in, but now we're going to go in a different direction, which you'll see soon. This thing is ready to go, and I'm super pumped to have this back on the road running again, because it is one of my favorite cars, and it's been neglected, as you saw, very much so. But yeah, I'm pumped to get back in and start driving around, and then we can pull it all apart again. You might be wondering what this thing is, or what this thing is doing here. This is a T56 Magnum that I bought just recently, and it's gonna end up going in this. And a good thing about this model is that you can launch from the line from like 7,000 RPM, and this sort of gearbox is gonna take it, which is gonna be great to try out, especially at the bend at the drag strip. And also it has 3 different shifter positions. So apparently there's supposed to be another one underneath there, or you can take this off and then there's gonna be one there as well. So, which will be handy with the mini truck, because it'll be a little bit longer than where the original one will be. So we'll not cutting and shutting and all that sort of stuff, but we will have to probably bash out the tub a little bit. But we are putting the Monaro's engine in this. So the 383 LS1 that was in the Monaro that made 920 horsepower at the tires with a single turbo, this will be running a carby setup, and it'll be a pretty basic setup, but with this behind it and a decent clutch, it's going to be a lot of fun, and it'll eventually be the challenge ute for all my degenerate mates to come in and try and run times in, and then we get them to ride bulls and do dumb stuff and all that sort of stuff. So I'm pretty excited for the next step for this thing, and it's going to be a pretty killer set of videos, because I'm going to get the boys to come down and actually help, pull this thing apart, because no point in me doing all the work and letting them jump in it and break it and all that sort of stuff. Maybe if I get them to help me build it, they might take a little bit more care of it, and so when they break it, they've got to fix it. But that is the plan so far. Finally, I'm going to take it for a cruise, because I haven't done that yet since we've done all this jazz to it. Put some nice blue on it and detailed it up. She looks killer. Put some new lights in, so let's do it. The mini truck is back in the paddock where we picked it up from, for now anyway. So we've made it home, there's gonna be plenty more to come on this thing. And we're gonna be making it drive a lot better in the next up and coming clips. That'll be it for the mini truck for now. Hopefully we can be bringing you some more of this stuff in the next couple of months when I get back from overseas. So stay tuned guys, thank you.